Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a fun, easy, and inexpensive Valentine's Day wreath tutorial. If you enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe, and I share lots of budget-friendly DIYs, shop with me videos, shopping hauls, and decorating videos. For this DIY, you're going to need a Dollar Tree wreath ring, and this is the 14-inch. And you're going to need one of the kids size. This is just a fleece scarf, and it's from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need a Dollar Tree pom-pom plate kit, and these also come in a couple different colors. And you're going to need some ribbon with wire to make a bow and also to wrap around your wreath. And I picked up this Valentine's Day ribbon at Hobby Lobby. My Dollar Tree didn't have any Valentine's Day ribbon out yet. Now I'm going to take my scarf, leave it folded in half, and I'm going to cut it into 3 equal sections. It does not have to be cut perfect. I just kind of eyeballed it and cut it into 3 sections. And it does have the fringe on the ends. And you'll see in just a minute I cut the fringe off. So here I'm just cutting the fringe off, and now I'm going to open it up, and I have a long piece of fleece. So this is perfect for wrapping my wreath ring. So you might want to put on your hot glue finger guards for this part. I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue and hot glue this strip of material onto the wreath ring. Let it have a little time to dry. Just be very careful when you use your hot glue. I am using Gorilla Glue hot glue, and I have my hot glue gun on the low temp setting. And now I'm just going to barely overlap so that all I have to use is one scarf and wrap my wreath ring with the Dollar Tree kids size fleece scarf. So make sure you get it nice and tight and smooth, just barely overlapping. And it does take one scarf for this, and you're not going to have much left over at all. Dollar Tree does have the adult size fleece scarves too, so an adult size will work or a kid size. It's just making sure that you get it cut so that you have enough pieces to wrap your entire wreath ring. Then here I'm coming to the end, so I'm just going to hot glue the end on, and then I'm going to start a new piece the same way I did at the beginning. This wreath is so simple to make and turns out super cute, and it's very budget friendly too. So now I'm starting on my second piece of material, so I'm just cutting the fringe off, opening it up so that it's one long strip of material, going to hot glue it onto the wreath ring on the back side. Just add a little bit of hot glue, then fold it over the top of the hot glue, hold it for just a little while, let it have time to dry. Then same steps, I'm just going to wrap the wreath ring, trying to not overlap very much. Now you will have a little bit of the third piece left over when you get finished. Do you usually decorate your house for Valentine's Day or not? I love to decorate my house for each season and holiday, so I have already started decorating for Valentine's Day. I have 2 Valentine's Day Shop With Me videos on my YouTube channel. I've been to TJ Maxx, Marshall's, and Dollar Tree. So if you'd like to check those out, I can link those Shop With Me videos for you in the description box. Now here's how my wreath looks once I have it wrapped completely with the scarf. Next, we're going to be tying a bow. So let out a tail about 5 or 6 inches long. Pinch your ribbon together, let out more ribbon and make a loop. Go to the other side, make another loop the same size as your first loop. Check to make sure they're the same size. Keep it pinched tightly in the center. Let out more ribbon on the left. Check to make sure they're the same size. I needed to make my loop a little bit bigger. Going back to the right side, going to make another loop. Check to make sure it's the same size. Sometimes you have to pull and tug to get your loops adjusted the same size on each side. Going to let out another 5 or 6 inch tail. Now I'm going to take a zip tie and zip tie this bow nice and tight in the center. Next, I'm going to cut off the extra part of the zip tie that sticks out, dovetail the ends, fold the tail in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. It just kind of dresses up the ends, and you can just cut it at a slant if you prefer. And then we're going to fluff and shape our bow. I like to stick my hand in each loop and open it up. So we have 2 loops on the left, 2 loops on the right. And with this bow, I am just going to hot glue it onto the top center of my wreath. I am just adding a little bit of Gorilla Glue, hot glue, to the back of the bow, going to press and hold it until it has time to dry a little bit. Now I'm taking my ribbon from Hobby Lobby, hot gluing a little strip to the back of the wreath, and then going to hold it in place and let it dry for just a little bit. And then I am just going to space my ribbon out and wrap my wreath ring. Now I'm going to space it enough that I can put one of the pom-poms in between each section. I know a lot of people do not like to wrap their wreaths with ribbon because I know ribbon is very expensive, but I think this one turns out really cute when it's wrapped and the pom-poms are added. So here's how it looks with the pretty Valentine's Day ribbon added, and you could stop right here. It's very pretty, just like that. Now I'm adding a strip of the fleece so that I can easily hang it up on my door. So I just hot glued this little strip to the center top of the wreath, let it have time to dry. Now for the fun part, we're going to take some Dollar Tree pom-poms from that little kit and just hot glue them on. They also have these pom-poms in a hot pink too. I hope everyone's having a wonderful 2024. I can't believe it's already 2024. It seems like 2023 passed by so fast, so you'll have to let me know how you're doing. And guys, we are about to get some snow at our house, so you'll have to let me know what the weather's doing at your house. I will have several more Valentine's Day DIYs coming up real soon. I have another yardstick, door swag, centerpiece, garland Valentine's Day DIY already planned, so I can't wait to work on that, plus some more wreaths. So I am really excited to continue decorating for Valentine's Day. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.